Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel 11 easily. Open the Pixel app, select a shape, remove the background color, adjust the shape, duplicate the shape, change the background color, duplicate the shape, select the color filter, select the 3D shape, change the color of shape. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.